Hello everyone, my name is Arborview. I'm here with Crovin, and today we are watching part 1 of Theodore Tugboat, Theodore's Ocean Adventure. So everyone, this is part 1 of Theodore Tugboat, Theodore's Ocean Adventure. There's the harbor master. Yep, there he is.
Hello.
Hi.
I was just dusting off my old harbor master's diploma.
Oh.
I got this when I finished harbor master school.
Do you have to go to school?
Oh yes, we harbor masters have to go to school to learn how to run a big harbor like this.
Oh. What's that noise? Yeah, what is that noise? Oh, that's a special whistle.
Not easy being in charge of the big harbor.
Yeah, sure
I have
isn't
to know when
easy.
ships can come in, where they can stay, when they can leave.
Oh.
And there's all this special equipment that I have to know how to use.
Oh.
Like my special whistle.
Cool.
You know, just between you and me, when I first started to work here, I wasn't sure I was ready to be the harbor master. I just didn't think I knew enough.
You were nervous. Yep, he was.
Did I ever tell you the time that Theodore didn't think that he knew enough?
Oh, that sounds like a good story.
That's a good story for today.
Alright. So everyone, this is part 1 of Theodore Tugboat, Theodore's Ocean Adventure.
Where are you going?
Yep.
Called Theodore. Rebecca, the research vessel, was leaving her home.
There's Theodore and Rebecca. Yep.
I'm going outside the harbor to look at an iceberg, replied Rebecca.
An iceberg? But aren't they dangerous? Well, yes they are, Crovin. Yeah.
Well, sometimes water pushes icebergs from way, way up north, explained Rebecca.
Oh.
Well, Theodore smiled. Rebecca always knew so many things
Yeah,
about the ocean.
she is so smart.
Watch
She
this.
sure is.
And then
That's a
Rebecca
float.
lowered one of her special
Yeah,
orange floats
that's
into
a
the
float.
water. Theodore watched Rebecca's float move away in the water. Do you see how my float is moving? Asked Rebecca.
Yep, I see him moving.
It is, said Theodore. But we're still staying still.
Yeah,
Right,
you're still
said
staying
Rebecca.
still.
The water is pushing my float.
Oh, it's kind of like gravity. Yeah.
They had reached Bedford, the bellboy who lives near the entrance to the harbor.
Oh.
That meant it was time for Rebecca to head out on the ocean. Rebecca, how do you find your way around out there?
Yeah, Rebecca, how do you find your way around at night?
Well, I like to use the stars, replied Rebecca.
Oh, they're kind of like a
If you ever
compass.
need to find the
Yeah.
big harbor at night, just follow the stars.
Okay.
And with that, Rebecca whistled to say goodbye to Theodore.
Goodbye, Rebecca.
Goodbye, Rebecca.
Please come back
See
safe.
you soon.
Yep. Come back safe, Rebecca. Come back safe. Yeah. Alright. Whoa. That's a pretty iceberg. Yeah.
Oh, amazing. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Rebecca was floating along, examining the great iceberg that was bigger than a building.
It sure is bigger than a building. You're right, Crovin. It sure is.
She used her float to see how fast the water was moving.
It's kind of like a water tracker. Yeah, it sure is like a water tracker.
Rebecca knew that icebergs can be dangerous.
Yeah.
But she really wanted to get up.
Yeah,
and look at the
icebergs can
first
be
one.
very dangerous.
So
Yeah.
she floated around to the other side.
Yeah, one tiny like scratch into the boat and then she'll sink. Oh no.
It made the strangest sounds all around her. as it
Does that
melted
sound
the
mean
silver
it's
sun.
moving? I think so.
Slowly, she floated closer.
Don't get too close, Rebecca. Yeah, please don't get too close. Uh-oh, that ain't good.
Iceberg.
Nope, that ain't good at all.
Rebecca heard a huge sound. Right away, she knew what had happened.
Oh no, another iceberg.
A huge piece of the iceberg.
Oh
right
no.
behind her. Rebecca couldn't go forward.
And she couldn't go back. She's trapped. Oh no, that ain't good.
She couldn't back
Oh
up.
no. She's trapped.
She was trapped.
Oh no, someone has to help her. Yeah, someone has to help her.
Nothing she could do about it.
Oh no. What's she going to do? I don't know.
Back in the big harbor, Theodore had just
There's
finished
Theodore.
work.
Yep.
He hurried off to find all about the iceberg from Rebecca. That's strange, he thought. Rebecca said she'd be back by now.
Yeah, where is she? She's trapped by an iceberg, Crovin. Oh yes.
Well, this is strange, said the dispatcher. After
There's the
Theodore told him.
dispatcher.
Rebecca
Yep.
always returns on time.
Yeah.
Do you think something happened?
I think so.
Yes, the dispatcher said, turning to Theodore. Theodore, you will have to go. Go where?
To find Rebecca.
Theodore, just to be safe, I would like you to look for Rebecca. Even if you have to go outside the harbor. Yes, sir, said Theodore, sounding very serious. But inside, he wondered, what if Rebecca is outside the harbor? I don't think I'll know what to do out there.
Please, Theodore, look for Rebecca and please bring her home. Yeah.
I've been this far before, Theodore told himself as the big harbor grew smaller and smaller behind him.
No.
By now,
Where is
Theodore was
Rebecca?
close to Blandford
She's
Buoy.
trapped in the
He
ice.
lives out
I
where the calm
know,
waters of the harbor
Arborview.
end and the wide open ocean begins. Blandford, called Theodore.
It's
Have
Blandford.
you seen Rebecca?
Yep.
Can't say I have, Theodore, replied Blandford.
Oh, where is she? I'm really worried about her.
I
Yeah.
hope she's all right, he said.
Me too, I hope she's alright.
So he decided to turn off his engine and listen. There didn't seem to be anything out there but
She's not out there.
endless ocean.
She has to be out there somewhere. She's our friend.
Theodore
She
knew
sure
he should
is.
turn back. Rebecca could be anywhere, he said to himself.
Yeah, she could
And
be anywhere by
I
now.
don't know anything about being out there. I guess I'll go home, he said sadly to Blanchard.
Don't go home. We still have to find Rebecca.
Blanford, you moved.
Seriously, Blanford?
No such a thing, replied Blanford. You moved. But I turned off my engine, said Theodore, surprised. And then he had a thought. Theodore lowered one of his special marker buoys into the water. He wanted to see if the water would push it away, just like Rebecca had said.
Oh, I guess it's like another water tracker. Yeah, it sure is.
Look at that. It is moving away, he said.
Oh yeah, the water's pushing it.
Maybe that's the same way the iceberg was pushed here. And maybe the water will push me to Rebecca.
That's a great idea, Theodore. Yeah, that's a great idea, Theodore.
One way to find out.
There's only one way to find out.
And waited to see where the current would take him.
I hope it takes to Rebecca. Yeah, she needs help.
Help! Cried Rebecca. But she knew no one would ever hear her, way out on the ocean, trapped in the middle of an iceberg.
Hang on, Rebecca. Help's coming. Yeah, Theodore will come to help you. Hopefully.
Something awful happened. While we're moving around, made the iceberg begin to crack even more.
Uh-oh, that ain't good. Oh no. Hurry up, Theodore.
The giant iceberg
Rebecca really needs help a
was beginning to
lot.
break apart, and if it did, it could come crashing down right on her.
Oh no, then she'll sink. That ain't good.
By now, the water had pushed Theodore further and further from the harbor, and further out on the ocean. He couldn't even hear Blandford's bell anymore. The sun was
Hurry,
beginning to
Theodore. Rebecca needs help.
set. Soon it would be
Yeah,
dark, and
Theodore, please
knew
hurry.
he had
She
to
needs
turn
help a
back.
lot.
Oh, Rebecca, he cried. Where are you?
Where are you,
What's
Rebecca?
that? There, just ahead.
What is it? It's the iceberg.
Something gigantic floating on the water.
Could it be Rebecca? We found her. Alright, way you go, Theodore. Way to go.
The ice mountain sparkled like a great diamond in the sunset.
Oh.
As he floated closer, he could hear creaking and groaning and almost a moaning sound from the iceberg.
Could it be Rebecca? I think it could be Rebecca. I think he found her.
He couldn't see Rebecca anywhere. And Rebecca couldn't see Theodore. I have to
She's
go
right
home,
there.
Theodore told himself. He was just turning to go when he spied something out of the corner of his eye.
One of Rebecca's floats.
That's Rebecca's afloat.
Yeah, that means Rebecca is here. Yeah, she's behind the iceberg.
Moved around to the other side of the iceberg. And sure enough, there was Rebecca. Rebecca!
Alright,
Rebecca, it's
we
me.
found her. Way to go,
Stay away,
Theodore.
cried
Yeah,
Rebecca.
way to go.
The iceberg is breaking apart.
Hurry.
Well, Theodore just couldn't leave his friend there. So he
Yeah,
tried to push
friends
the giant
never
block of
leave
ice
each
that was
other.
trapping Rebecca.
Yep.
Oh, I'm not heavy enough to push this big piece of ice. Oh, how will I
No.
ever save Rebecca?
Yeah, how will you save her?
All that pushing caused great chunks of ice to fall right over
Whoa.
Theodore stared at the heavy chunks of ice.
Oh. I think he got an idea. Yeah.
There might be one way to save Rebecca, he thought.
Oh. Well, everyone, that's it for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 tomorrow. Goodbye. Bye.